guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you're all well, and we know it's been a while.
Today we're doing Google Picks my makeup. If you like the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe.
So let's go. Hopefully Google's going to be good to us.
Yeah.
First we're going to start with brows, and we are going to use this palette from Salon Systems, and there's 12 colours in there. So let's see. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 12.
7.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Soft brown.
Oh, that's your actual colour.
That's actually good.
We done good then. Next we are going to go on to eyeshadow. We have picked 3 palettes to pick from. So also I'm going to stop saying just in case anyone watching has got a
Google.
Because it can be pretty annoying if your Google just keeps going off and off, giving you random numbers.
We should know because we've got it right next to our telly.
And it happens all the time. So let's pick which eyeshadow. Jeffree Star Blue Blood is 1, Carnival Palette is 2, and Morphe X James Charles is 3. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Pick a number between 1 and 3.
2.
Here's a random number, 2.
Yay!
I think.
We are going to be using this one, which is the one that we wanted to use anyway.
Yeah.
There you go. Put them up there. Right, now let's see what shades. We're going to pick 5 random shades from
I was going to say, this one says James Charles on it, realising this is the James Charles palette.
Yeah. As you can see, it's got, I think it's 28. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. There's 40 shades. Not 28. There's 40 shades. So we are going to pick, well, we're going to ask Google to pick 5
numbers. Yeah.
5 random numbers between 1 and 40. So we are now going to zoom you in, and we're going to get on with the eye. This is probably going to be a lot harder than what we thought, because we have 2 shimmer shades that do not go
with the rest
with
of
blue. Well, to be fair, we could probably get away with one of the shimmer shades, but the second one is just, this is going to be a hot mess. So
it's going to throw us off.
So yeah, I hope you enjoy this very entertaining, not very good eyeshadow look. Let's go. Google, pick a number between 1 and 40. I'm just going to stamp that in.
6.
Don't mind if it's a little bit messy.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Making waves.
Ooh.
Right, so this is going to be our shape. As Whitney wanted to go rounded, that's what we have done. We will wing out a tiny bit. Take a Spectrum pencil brush, tiny bit more shadow on, and we're just going to now start to just blend the sides. Pick a number between 1 and 40.
21.
Here's a random number, 21.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Why though? No, wrong one. It's why though.
Ah! But why though?
At the minute we're going blue. And we're just going to go around the edges, making small circular movements, just slowly, no, not slowly, that's not what I meant. Just going to overlap that colour so it blends, and then we're just going to wing this out just a tiny smidget, just a tiny bit, just to make it a little bit more flattering on her eye. I'm going to take the Morphe M505 just to blur out the edges just slightly more. And we're just going to go slightly above her natural crease, just because she has quite hooded eyes anyway. So if we don't go over her natural crease, then we won't see it. More of making waves just on the corner, just to blend that in a little bit. Pick a number between 1 and 40.
24.
21, 22, 23, 24.
Right, this one?
Yes.
Okay, we can deal with that.
Okay.
Okay.
Pick a number between 1 and 40. Oh, this is our last number.
Here's a random number, 28.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
What one? This one.
Temptation, yeah. Now we're going to pick our lashes. So we've got 1 to 4. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 4.
2. Oh,
Here's a random number, 2.
I was just trying to open.
They are the shades of makeup in Harley Quinn.
Yeah, H Quinn.
Harley Quinn. Right, so next we are going to go for eyeliner. We're going to go 1 to 7, even though we've only got 6. And if they pick 7, if Google picks 7, then it's no eyeliner. Okay? Alright. Hey Google, pick a number between 1 and 7. 1.
Here's a random
Yellow.
number, 1.
Okay. Now we're going to pick a colour for the waterline, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 6 colours. Pick a number between 1 and 6.
Here's a random
Pink.
number, 3.
I think Google is on our side today.
Well,
Nearly.
almost.
Pick a number between 1 and 40.
19.
21, 20, 19. Funky. No, wrong one. Funky.
Jesus Christ. We're now fingers.
Now we are going to do foundation. This is where it can get a bit crazy. Pick a number between 1 and 5.
2. 2.
Oh, that one's just literally just lighter than my one. That's your one.
Yeah, that.
Chill.
Right, and now we're gonna concealer. So we've only got 3 because.
No, not
3.
you. No, go away. No.
Ivory.
Oh, you had my one going. I had picked 1.
Oh, mine picked 3 and it was quicker, so we're going to go in with 3. Now we're going to go in with loose powder. I just grabbed 2. We've got the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop loose setting powder, and this is light medium. And also we have the MAC loose setting powder. So let's see. Pick a number between 1 and 2.
Here's a random number, 1.
We're going in with MAC then.
It's not in there.
That's where it should be.
And it's probably in there.
Because this is your high-end drawer.
Looks pretty much empty.
Pick a number between 1 and 4.
3.
Oh! I was gonna say I'd be happy with either of them two because I use that one now. all
Yeah,
the
that
time.
one's too dark, and so is the MAC one.
You pretty much wrong. I don't agree. Don't agree.
Pick a number between 1 and 9.
Here's a random number, 5.
You are not going to be happy.
No.
So we got 5, which is the darkest one in the pan.
Do you regret saying we're going to put blush on now?
No.
Because I do.
Pick a number between 1 and 6.
Here's a random number 5.
So
It's the MAC one. Pick a number between 1 and 9.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Stone. Max Stone.
Oh.
Pick a number between 1 and 7.
6.
She said that like.
We've got a
6.
bright pink lipstick.
Who?
Yeah,
How do you know?
because I know the name. So we got the bright pink. I mean, it's a look.
It's not.
Like,
I'm not
the
mad.
Lip, the lip by itself is fine.
Yeah.
Like, the actual, I'd never ever think to like put Stone and Girl About Town together.
No. Yeah, I'm not complaining. It's not that bad. Could be worse. I think actually we came off quite easy today. Like when we use Google for like when we play The Sims and stuff, it can get really bad.
This is our finished look. So that is our Google Pics Our Makeup challenge. I hope you enjoyed it. We did. We thought we was getting stitched up, but you know, didn't really turn out that bad. So don't forget to like and subscribe, definitely if you want to see more, and we'll be back next time.